check.
Hi guys, Elite Kizza here, and today I just bought this Champions League pack from the shop. All I've done is take the wrapper off, so yeah, let's do it. First off, I have this thing. Oh, okay, that's pretty good. I have this Juventus badge, and this player. Then I have this person. I don't really know it is. You can't really read the name because I think it's backwards, but oh well. So that's alright. I don't know who he is. I don't know if this is very good, but yeah. Oh, hello, cheeky little boy. You're a cheeky boy. You have him from Man City. It's called, I don't know how you say it, but it's Iheanacho. I don't know if that's how you say it. And then you have Narsingh. I don't think that's how you say it, but sorry, I don't know how to say it. Next up, okay, got Pepe Reina. Yeah. So I don't know who he's. I really hope I get someone sick for now. Let's have a look. Ooh, that's quite good. Got Aubameyang and Royce. Let's have a look. Go for this one. Rising Star, him from Napoli, yeah. Yeah. Don't know how good he is or anything. Last card. I'm gonna have a look. Like, I just seen that 100 club. 100 club Dani Alves. This is my first Champions League. No. Yeah, my first Champions League one I had today. I just went and bought it from the shop. I'm very happy with that. The best. Oh, no, I just dropped it. Players, sick players, yeah. That is sick. Yeah, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Please like and subscribe.